Unlock the full potential of your Propstream data by seamlessly exporting your curated property lists into a versatile CSV file, opening doors to advanced analysis and integration with your favorite real estate tools. Let's dive into how to export your list from Propstream to a CSV file, step by step. First, navigate to your Propstream account and locate the specific property list you wish to export. This is usually found within your saved searches or lists section. Once your list is open, look for the area that displays the total number of properties, often labeled results or properties. Click on this section to ensure your full list is active and ready for export. Now you'll see various action buttons available. Your goal is to find the export button. It's typically a prominent button, often colored distinctly, and might have an icon associating with downloading or exporting data. Upon clicking Export, a new window or modal will appear. This is where you select your desired export format for maximum compatibility and ease of use across different applications. You'll want to choose CSV. Within the format options, look for CSV or comma-separated values. Click on this option to select it as your export format. After selecting CSV, you'll typically see a final confirmation button, often labeled Export or Download. Click this to initiate the file generation and download process. Your browser will then begin downloading the CSV file to your computer. The file will be named something related to your list and will have the CSV extension. Once the download is complete, you can open this CSV file with any spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. Inside your spreadsheet, you'll find all the detailed property information from your Propstream list, organized into rows and columns, ready for your analysis, to integrate with your marketing tools, or to share. This seamless export allows you to leverage Propstream's valuable data more effectively, empowering your real estate strategies with organized, transferable information for enhanced decision-making and operational efficiency.